What's up, fellow traders? So we had our little push today, see? You know, the S&P went down and dinked their moving average, and the Dow came down to 8205, found a little support, and kind of floated up all day from there. So that's what I was talking about, how this is, you know, this is the do or die area, you know. Would have been too easy to go right through it. I still think we're on our way down through 8200 and the 880 on the S&P. I just want to kind of let you know what I'm seeing over the watch list, you know, the FCXs and the United Steels and you know, Intrepid Potash. I mean, the leaders, they're breaking down. And I mean, FCX was damn near 60, you know, they're mid 45, and you know, United Steel was, you know, peaking 40, and they're back at 32, and you know, oil's pulling back a little bit. We had a lot of the solar breaking down, which I really like. SunPower down around 20. I'm going to be looking to pick a little bit of that up if oil retreats and pushes the solar down a little bit. So, you know, the week's going to play out, and it's going to be interesting. The volume swelled a little bit today, but not enough to show conviction, like that was the test. See, because that was the test. See, we dinked right down above 8200 and hit the moving average on the S&P. That was the test, and the conviction wasn't there. You know, I got home today, and you know, there's more talk about another stimulus. I mean, that's definitely going to pound the market. You know, things are worse than they thought. They need to roll through with more stimulus. Even down there at 7,200, I am going to be picking up some fat longs, but they're going to be low risk longs, you know. You know, the Microsofts, the Disneys, whatever's pulled back the most by then. Because like I said, if that 7,200 doesn't hold, the low's not going to hold, because that was the retest, you know. So that's where we're at. I don't need to show any charts tonight. You know, I wanted to say I like the comment we got from one of our fellow traders out in DC. Came through with some, you know, from the heartland reporting, you know, what's going on. And I gotta say that the past 2 to 3 weeks have been getting pretty, you know, pretty depressing through, you know, the friends, the community, the relatives. Like I said, my business is doing okay right now. But it's starting to hit now a little closer to home here. And like, it's kind of funny how Independence Day just passed, and I'm going to end this one out. You know, I was on the boat this weekend chilling, talking with some friends, and you know, the only way to free yourself from being at the mercy of the economy is to become independent. You know, and independent, I mean, you know, like we're going to profit from the downturn. You know, like I said, very few of us can, because the ones that can worked hard, saved their money, they saved for things. They didn't just go out for instant gratification, and now their money's working for them. And that is the true independent. If you think about it, your independence, being a trader, because if you have real estate or a hot business, I mean, something can always kind of, you know, take out what's going on. But if you think about it, trading and investing is the only true freedom. to get out from underneath the crap that's going on. We really got to learn to not let other people's sorrows affect us emotionally. It's good to feel for them, but we worked hard, and we need to keep working hard. We need to stay focused, and right now more than ever, today was a good day to pick up some more longs. Almost picked up some Eagle, almost picked up Valero, didn't do it. Interesting how the Dow came down and just dinked right there this morning, and then floated all day. I'm looking at the intraday chart. It's amazing. That 8,200 level right there, and that 880 on the S&P's got a break this week. They might dink us up to the moving averages, because we dinked the lower one on the S&P, and now we're kind of on our way up to the moving averages on the Dow. But like I said, across the board things are breaking down. Good luck.